Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you my legacy iOS device collection, my legacy iPhones and legacy iPod touches. So the first device that we have is a iPhone 3GS 32GB. This is running iOS 3.1.3 and I downgraded it with legacy iOS kit. Now here's my iPhone 4. It's in an OtterBox case, yes. Running iOS 4.3.5, I downgraded with legacy iOS kit too. Most of these devices I downgraded with legacy iOS kit. Here's my this is 32 gigabytes. Here's my 16 gigabyte iPhone 4S running iOS 6.1.3, downgraded as well. Here's my 32 gigabyte iPhone 4S, downgraded to iOS 6.1.3 as well. I just recently got this device. So yeah, I recently got it. Here's my iPhone 5S running iOS 10.3.3, downgraded with legacy iOS kit as well. Now here are my iPod touches. Here's my iPod Touch 2nd generation MB model 32 gigabyte. And here's my iPod Touch 2nd generation MC model 8 gigabyte. Both of these iPod touches are running iOS 4.2.1. Here's my iPod Touch 3rd generation running iOS 5.1.1. It's in a clear case. Most of these are in cases. So let's move on to the next device. Here's my iPod Touch 4th generation 8 gigabyte running iOS 6.1.6. This used to be my mom's, but it's mine now. So yeah, that's my legacy iOS device collection. Hope you enjoyed it.